Good morning, Black Hawk Cougars. Today is May 3rd, 2019, and this is Tara
and Tucker
with your morning announcements and career cluster video. Today we'll be teaching you about manufacturing.
Today for lunch we are having hamburger on a whole grain bun, broccoli, fresh baby carrots, and fruit. Tomorrow we're having a hamburger.
We are out of jokes. If you have jokes in your Cougar Concern box, please put them in Mrs. Setliff's mailbox.
Now for the Library Star Award. Will the following students please come down to the library after you finish the video? In 5th grade, Preston, Caleb.
Now for our Cougar character drawing. Will the following students please come down to the office after your class finishes the video? Colton Milhoff in 5th grade, Johns.
Devin in kindergarten, Hartle.
Eliana and Hollowhorn in 3rd grade, Leidy.
Kamea in 1st grade, Weeking.
Now for the teacher award. Miss Weeking.
I was happy to announce our contest results for our Pennies and Patience fundraiser for St. Jude's. In 3rd place with $58.93, we have Mrs. John's class. In 2nd place with $81.03, we have Mrs. Wilkes' class. And in 1st place with $119.87, we have our winners, Mrs. Ivy's class. Congratulations to our winners and thank you for all your donations. In total, our school raised $656.07 for the children of St. Jude. Now for our career cluster.
So what is manufacturing? Well, manufacturing is one of South Dakota's largest industries. If you like planning, managing, and putting things together, then this career cluster is for you. What are some jobs for this career cluster?
Good question. Here are some jobs that fall under our career cluster. Design engineers and electronics engineers. Create designs for new products and build them. Inspectors test to see if the products work right. Dispatchers and material movers keep track of how much a company's items are selling and makes sure the stores get more, so the company keeps on selling their products. Now, I'm wondering, what are the classes a person should take if they're interested in this career cluster?
If you are interested in working in this career cluster when you grow up, here are some classes you should take to get ready. Math and science classes are really important, but also you might want to take automotive mechanics class, electronics class, and welding or cabinet making. What are some activities or organizations a person should join to prepare for a job in this career cluster?
If you want a head start on preparing for a job in this career cluster, you should try following activities. The following activities: DECA, FFA, Skills USA, Math Club, and Science Club. See our video from yesterday for more information on these organizations.
And that's all for manufacturing. We hope you learned a lot. Remember, Cougars, always be safe, respectful, and responsible. Let's make today great.